Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make stock analysis. First, understand that stock analysis is crucial for making smart investment choices. It helps you assess a company's true value and potential for growth. We'll cover the two main types: fundamental analysis, which looks at a company's intrinsic value, and technical analysis, which studies market trends. By combining these methods, you can build a more robust investment strategy. Fundamental analysis focuses on a company's intrinsic value. You'll dive into financial statements, like the income statement and balance sheet, to understand revenue, expenses, and assets. Key ratios, such as the price-to-earnings ratio or debt-to-equity, provide quick insights into profitability and leverage. Don't forget to evaluate the company's management team, its industry outlook, and any competitive advantages it holds. This holistic view helps determine if a stock is undervalued or overvalued. Technical analysis, on the other hand, studies past market data, primarily price and volume, to predict future price movements. You'll learn to read various chart patterns, like head and shoulders or double bottoms, which can signal reversals or continuations. Indicators such as moving averages and the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, help confirm trends and identify overbought or oversold conditions. Recognizing support and resistance levels is also key for timing your trades effectively. The most effective stock analysis often combines both fundamental and technical approaches. Use fundamental analysis to identify strong companies with solid financials and growth prospects. Then, employ technical analysis to pinpoint optimal entry and exit points, leveraging market sentiment. This dual strategy helps you make well-rounded decisions, balancing a company's intrinsic value with its current market behavior. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.